Toyota Etios, the real sedan.
Also check out the new Etios exclusive this festive season. Rush to your dealer today.
On time again.
Cheers.
Great food. Always. Hollywood, Bollywood, and much more. Every time I fly Air India, I realize how much better it is.
To achieve high precision, be it near, mid or far, you need Varilux progressive lenses after you're 40 to bring you superior vision. Ask your optician for Varilux. Sharper vision at all distances.
तो हमारे हस्बैंड रोड एक्सीडेंट हुआ, दैट मीन्स उसका कुछ अनसेफ्टी थी, तो टाटा स्टील में मैं हस्बैंड का सर्विस हमें मिली है.
We were seeing women employees wearing the traditional sarees that could lead to major injuries.
हम लोग टाटा स्टील में साड़ी से पैंट शर्ट में आना पहला लेडीज थे हम लोग. औरत सब कुछ कर सकती है.
तुमको मैं चुरा लूंगा, तुमसे दिल में छुपा लूंगा.
Wildstone, pack of 3 soaps. Now, ₹60 only.
Do you check your currency to see if it's real? If not, then you should, because one of the biggest risks that Indians face in their daily lives is the threat of white-collar crimes. Unfortunately, the counterfeit industry is a huge and thriving industry in India. Statistics show there is nearly 1,200,000 crore rupees worth of fake currency that is in circulation in India. And the Indian government is getting ready to crack down. It plans to label counterfeiting as an act of terror. But still, detecting fakes can be a hard task, and thankfully, one man's innovation may be changing the game and protecting people against this crime, bringing us closer to zero fakes.
The world around us is fueled by money. It changes hands every day at banks, malls, petrol pumps, at home. We scrutinize it carefully to get our value for money, quite literally. But even then, fake currency slips in, adversely affecting the economy. According to the Financial Intelligence Unit, there has been a 400% increase in counterfeit transactions in recent years.
Actually, it is a threat for our national security. It is an economic terrorism, I should say. And people use this fake money for all kind of unwanted activities, like for promoting terrorism in the country and a whole lot of underworld activities. So for the national security, it is important that our currency should be fairly, safe and secured.
Bringing science to rescue is Dr. Ajay Ghosh. He studies molecular assemblies in nature, replicates them, modifies them in his lab, and finds practical uses for his brand of organogels.
Chemistry is all about elements and molecules. And molecules are the smaller building blocks of many kinds of materials. So molecules are really wonderful because they have color, they have taste, they have smell, they are quite reactive. Organogels are a class of molecules which, when put it in some kind of liquids, can arrest the flow of that liquid. So it forms a soft solid. We are working with a very special kind of molecules which are called in scientific terms pi conjugated molecules. So for ordinary people I should say that those who are not familiar with chemistry, I should say these are molecules made up of a single bond and a double bond. So there are a lot of free electrons which are localized, spread along the molecule, and because of that these type of molecules have a lot of electronic properties. They can absorb light, they can emit light, they can conduct electricity.
This particular property has been suitably exploited by Dr. Ajay Ghosh to demonstrate it as a viable security feature for currency notes.
We can coat this solution and then you are allowed to spread the coating, and then you can dry it. As you can see, you see a light blue fluorescence is there. And now what you can do is you can now check a pen which is containing water as an ink. Then you make a mark here, then immediately wherever you marked you will see a green fluorescence.
These molecular self-assemblies have the potential to revolutionize healthcare by being a part of cheap testing kits to detect lung cancer.
The areas where self-assembly can play an important role is in the area of molecular diagnostics. And this is, for example, one can design systems that can specifically detect minor amounts or very trace amounts of certain chemicals which would be markers for certain diseases, for example even cancer.
So we have initially coated this fluorescent assembly which is showing a blue fluorescence, as you can see in the this filter paper strip. So it shows a blue fluorescence, and then you can identify one of the disease markers in lung cancer patients, and one of such disease marker is called a chemical called orthotoluidine, which is an aromatic amine. So if you have this solution of this orthotoluidine in small quantities, you can take that and make a spot on this strip, and then you can again put it under a UV lamp and see whether there is a dark spot, as you can see here. Now you can see there is a dark spot generated. It can be tested in patients by allowing the patient to directly blow through a pipe or a straw, and you look for this color change. Then you can put that person under potential threat of lung cancer.
From protecting the economy to detecting diseases, Dr. Ajay Ghosh's experiments could very well take us to a definitive conclusion of zero safety risks.
Safety and security give us a sense of stability and reassurance. But the ironic part is that safety is the most fragile state. In the blink of an eye, our entire world can come crashing down. As our three stories have demonstrated, the risk factor is omnipresent, and how prepared you are to handle the risk is what counts. Whether it's vehicle surveillance in a world increasingly gripped by terror, or ensuring yourself against fire accidents in buildings, or protecting yourself and the economy against fake currency, our innovators today have shown groundbreaking ways to reach the goal of zero risk. If you have an innovation that can be a game changer, do write in to us at powerof013@timesgroup.com. Until next week, this is me, Anupam Kher, saying goodbye and thank you. Keep watching.
Next week, our quest to find innovators continues. Are electric cars setting a big example for the future of mobility? An infrastructure company that is paving the way for more durable roads, and the technology that is reducing emission by increasing engine efficiency.
I love you.
आज तक मैंने एक ही इंसान से प्यार करा है, खुद से। पर अब तुमसे भी करूंगा। 2 बच्चे चाहिए मुझे, एक तुम जैसी सुंदर लड़की और एक मेरे जैसा रौबदार हैंडसम लड़का। नाम होंगे रेखा और अमिताभ, दोनों ही मेरे फेवरेट हैं। उसके बाद मैं वो नसबंदी कर लूंगा।
बस। चलते चलते आँखें झुक गई, चलते चलते मैंने हुई अंगड़ाई, चलते चलते। Johnson Tiles.
My first visit home after marriage.
Sometimes it's hard to see what's meant to be.
And then I don't know. Arranged marriage, whatever, but we discovered our day of love.
Platinum, because real love can only begin, never end.
हमारे हस्बैंड तो उसी वक्त वहीं पे स्पॉट डेथ कर गए। छोटे छोटे बच्चे लोग थे, हमारे 3 बच्चे। तो मैं टाटा स्टील में मैं ज्वाइन की।
Steel was not considered as a very safe industry. Unless we make the company very safe, our people will not be safe and the families will not be safe. So we approached DuPont.
DuPont believes that if they really want to make a difference, they have to really go through the culture change process.
और हम नहीं चाहते हैं कि जो हम स्टील उत्पादन करें वह उसमें खून ब्लड लगा हो, लेकिन DuPont के आने के बाद काफी बदलाव आए हैं।
We were seeing women employees coming to the site wearing the traditional saris. That could lead to major injuries. Going and talking to the women about changing their dress is a sensitive issue. So we assembled them in a room and then we talked to them about safety. And their response was, if this is something which we need to change, we are willing to change.
हम लोग टाटा स्टील में साड़ी से पैंट शर्ट में आना पहला लेडीज थे हम लोग, पहला फर्स्ट बैच थे जिश्विनी का। बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियां हैं, ट्रक है, डोजर है, डंपर है, लोको है, तो आप लोग चला सकते हो। तो हम लोग बोले कि हाँ सर, हम लोग साड़ी से पैंट शर्ट में आए हैं, तो क्यों नहीं यही काम करे।
If you influence the women, it has lot of influence on the society.
सारा जगह हम लोग सेफ्टी लेके चलते हैं। घर पे आने के बाद बच्चे लोग को भी सिखाते हैं कि ये काम ऐसा है, विद सेफ्टी से करो।
You need to consider society as a part of the business and you need to give back to the society many times more than what you get from.
New Engage Irresistible Deal Sprays for him and her.
Participate in the National Furniture Furnishing and Decor Fair 2013 and showcase your products to architects and other key people. For bookings, call 9711-282377.
D-Decor. Live beautiful. Your room next.
New Toyota Etios, the real sedan.
Also check out the new Etios exclusive this festive season. Rush to your dealer today.
12 days on, unashamed Pakistan continues to push terrorists on Indian soil. Indian Army foils third infiltration bid in the Kiran sector. Crucial transcripts expose Pakistan-based control room coordinating with terrorists across the line of control. Can Pakistan deny this? It's a Times Now exclusive. Jagan Reddy takes on his critics, says that his fast for united Andhra is not politically motivated.
And then collect money to destroy the state all over again. Spend about 7,000, 8,000 crores on your own election campaign.
BJP releases black paper on the Gehlot government. In an exclusive interview to Times Now, former Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje spells out her party strategy in the upcoming polls.
15 दिसंबर तक दिल्ली में आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बन जाएगी.
Fight for the capital is on. Arvind Kejriwal and Sheila Dikshit trade charges ahead of the assembly polls.
The BJP being so pro-CAG, I think they need to answer this question as far as Gujarat is concerned.
And the Congress questions Narendra Modi's development model after the CNAG raises red flag over the rising malnourishment in Gujarat.